Did you know you can make a Wi-Fi hotspot with your Vortex? This is the older HD62. Let me show you how. All right, the most important thing, make sure your SIM chip is installed. It should be, and that you have signal. And then you want to go to, don't accidentally touch the screen. There we go. All right, we want to go into settings. Then we're going to go to this very first one, network and internet. And then you'll see here, hotspot and tethering. Touch hotspot and tethering. And what's interesting to me is that it gives you some choices here that you can toggle on and off. And it says right here, Wi-Fi hotspot, not sharing internet or content with other devices. And there's no toggle. And I think that throws a lot of people because you actually have to touch the Wi-Fi hotspot. And now it's going to give you all the choices to turn it on. Okay, the name is going to be HD62. It's got, I don't know if the security is important to you, but we can make the password a little bit easier. And one of my favorite kids books, let's just call it Boo Boo Butt. Okay. And that's it. And there's a handful of things. Turn off hotspot automatically when no devices are connected, and extend compatibility. So you can toggle those on or off depending on what your needs are. So let's double check that this works. Let me get my tablet here and let's change up the internet, and there it is. HD62 shows up as an option, so let's touch it. And now we can enter the password, which if you remember, BOO, BOO, BUT, and T. And let's join. And it says we're connected, and let's double check. One of my favorite music is Flavor Trip to listen to when I'm doing work. And let's see if we get some connection here on YouTube to make sure that that Wi-Fi through my HD62 actually works. I'm going to imagine it's not going to take very long for it to connect since they're right next to each other. But again, it is a budget Vortex, so it might take a moment or two. If you don't want to stay for testing, I appreciate you watching. If this has helped you, please like, please subscribe, and thank you for watching. If you want to double check with me this test to make sure it works, stick around just for another moment. Seems like it's taking a long time. Let's go over here, see if there's anything else we have to do. Well, it does say that one device is connected. Let me push refresh here and see if that helps the connection. All right, so what we've learned is that it can provide a hotspot. Your HD62 can provide a hotspot. Is it a quality hotspot that you can actually use? I'm going to push pause here and wait for see if it'll connect for me. All right, it just got that error when I push refresh, and I haven't looked that up yet to see what kind of error it is. All right, pushing pause on my side. All right, now I've just power cycled my tablet here to see if anything changes, and it did cycle here on this side where it said 0 devices connected, and then when I powered it back on, it reconnected, but it's just not a good connection. All right, let me do a little more experimenting. All right, I had to grab my, this is a Samsung Galaxy. This is the S22 Ultra. The tablet, the Apple tablet, is still not, the iPad is still not connecting after multiple times to connect. So let's see if we can get a connection on, a good connection on the newer Galaxy. All right, let's verify that I am connected to HD62, and then let's jump into YouTube, see if it'll play a video. It looks like it's playing. Looks like it'll work on a newer. I'm surprised that it's not working on. Let's get rid of that. All right, I have to troubleshoot why an older iPad won't connect to the hotspot on a HD62. So anyway, hopefully that's helped you. And if you're having problems, you know, it's obviously problematic here and not problematic here. So hopefully that helps someone. If it has, please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.